Here we are on PowerPoint. You're going to have so much fun with this one. I'm sure you can't wait to try it if you've heard anything about it. PowerPoint is a little bit different from some of the others, and it's similar to some of the others. First of all, you'll see across the top the same menu bar, the tabs and the ribbons here. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation pane. This is just like Access was, and it's just like File Explorer, where you can see your different drives and folders on the left-hand side. And then your individual slides on the right-hand side. Right now I have 4 slides. I can tap on any of them or click on any of them to go to that slide. You'll see there's only 4 slides there, and 3 of them are, well, this one has a bunch of links. So this video is going to be pretty short because you go watch that stuff. And here are some notes about how to use PowerPoint in different situations. And I think that's really important for you to understand. So I put it in there. Please do read it. Back here on slide number 1, there, if I clicked in here, you'll see that there's a title section and then the content section at the bottom. And the first thing I told you down here in the right hand corner was to click down in the notes section so you can see the notes. Now my notes right now is very small, but I can get that 2-headed arrow and click and drag up. The slide gets smaller and then I can see the notes, and I can also scroll up and down through the notes if there are more. This is where I will tell you what to do on each slide. That's the notes section. Also, there are different views, just like we did with Access and we did with Excel, and so different views in PowerPoint. So another thing I'll have you work on doing, and you should play with, is just going through different views of PowerPoint. Play with it, play with it. This says, notice that the divider line, you can change the size of the notes area and so on. And these are the things you're going to be learning. On this slide, you see there's a title. This is a title slide layout. There are different layouts of slides. The layout of the slide you're currently on, you can access via layout. And if you want to make a new slide, you can either click that new slide or click the drop down arrow and choose a new slide and at the same time that layout. And what I had you do here was just make a couple of slides, use any theme. I'm going to actually enlarge this so that just so you can see there's a lot in there. Choose a design theme. So you can go up to design and choose one of the themes. Choose anything you like. And then you could choose a variant. That means a different color combination with the same basic format. And then the layouts and the fonts. And I gave you several things to play with. No one has difficulty doing this assignment without direct guided videos, although recall that, oh my, this is so hard to see. Let me change this. Oh, none of them are very good, are they? Here's basic tasks for creating a PowerPoint and exploring PowerPoint, so on. If I change the color, you could probably see it better. But you follow those videos and be sure that you get the idea of promoting and demoting the bullets. Actually, you're seeing right here why it's so important to actually choose the theme first before you start typing and adding colors, because boy, did I mess this up with the theme I chose, didn't I? There. Whew. That's better. Anyway, these will help you along, but just play with it. Have great fun. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.